Code and Build Web Development Week is going to start on 5th of February. Registration open for all. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. The ProGate is organizing Code and Build Web Development Week from 5th of February to 11th of February, and in this video I am going to show you what is in this program and how it's beneficial for you. So firstly, this is a code and learn. You need to code. You firstly trained in HTML, CSS, JavaScript and many other languages. Also you got a knowledge about GitHub from ProGate, and after that you need to code. You also build your own project by the guidance of ProGate, and after that you need to upload that on GitHub, because there is also a GitHub session where you got a knowledge about GitHub, and after that you need to upload this. And after doing all of this, you got a badge, a ninja badge, which you can share on different social media platforms like LinkedIn and other. So let's see what are the timelines and what you are going to learn in this. So day 1 is study about HTML and CSS. Here you get a basic ideas about HTML and CSS, and this is compulsory if you want to access the full week contents. After completing the first day, there is a 40 hours of HTML and CSS. There is a live session from ProGate, and this is going to held on day 2, day 3. And you can see here what you are going to learn here. But completing the day 1 is necessary for accessing day 2 and day 3 contents. The day 4 is on complete command line and Git. Here you learn about the Git, and here you can see the links from where you need to tap on the day 4, and you got a session about the Git. And at the day 5 there is a hands-on session on GitHub, where you get a full detail about GitHub, how to smartly use the GitHub platform and how GitHub helpful for your placements and internship purpose you got here. And after that there is a webathon where you need to code, and also you need to submit your project on day 7. And after that you got a badge of ninja from ProGate. These all sessions are not very difficult. These all are basic level, and when you participate in this, you got a full idea how to develop your project, how to submit this type of projects or upload this type of project on GitHub. And also it's help you to make your resume stand out by adding a project of web development also, with a lot of benefits. So what are you waiting for? Register now for this. There is a link in the description. When you go through it, you find this tab. If you have an account on ProGate, then this is a better, and if it doesn't have, then you can create a new account with Google account and different social media platforms just like LinkedIn and also with Facebook. So here you find on ProGate there are many educational contents, and on ProGate you doesn't get a video lectures. So when you go through the description, there is a second link. When you tap on that, you find this. From the first, you only registered, and after that here you need to join this a week of web development. Here you can see 5 to 11th February, where you are going to learn HTML, CSS, command line and Git. So now start the registration process by tapping on register now. Firstly it needs your first name, and after that it needs your last name, and after your email address is required from which you registered on the platform of ProGate. So here you need to mention your email ID, after that your contact number from which you can join the WhatsApp group, and after that your university name, and thereafter country. And this is the important thing. If you are following all the steps which I am showing in this video, then here you need to do one more thing. Here you can find a link where you need to join the team of code and web development. When you tap on this, here there is an option of join, because you already registered on this platform of ProGate. So you can see here join option. When you tap on this join, you got registered for this web development week. You can see here there is a leaderboard also. When you start learning, there is a start learning option, then you got your rank on the leaderboard. So this is like a competition, and after that you just come back on this registration process, and after that tap on yes, and after that you find here there is a more option for joining a WhatsApp group, where you got all the notification about this web development week. And also you can see here there is a timeline, and if you doesn't join the team of web development week, then there is one more option to join. So start learning now. This is a very good chance for getting the knowledge of web development, and if you find my video helpful, then subscribe.